How's it going, everybody? It's Josh Inspires. Hopefully you can hear me over all the traffic.
Hello everyone, ignore that handsome man speaking right there. If you want to be unlike him, do not buy the Ikela wireless lavalier lapel microphone for iPhone, iPad, and everything else from Amazon for $30. It's extremely cheap and it does arrive before Christmas, but then you get audio quality like this.
And sounds of ambiance from the city of Louisville. But today I'm staying at the Galt House.
And since I did not have a laptop on me to check the audio quality before I got home to edit this video, I'm just going to be doing voiceovers for pretty much all of the important information to make sure that it does not sound like absolute garbage. So anyway, that's me. I'm Josh Inspires. Welcome back to another video. Today we are in Louisville, Kentucky, and I am staying at the Galt House Hotel. I am staying in the Deluxe Suite for one night and showing you just a little bit around the Galt House Hotel, the room, and giving you my thoughts for a one-night stay in the Christmas season. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. I will tell you how much it costs and give you a little bit of a breakdown on what I think about the room and if it's worth staying or not. But anyway, enough with padding the view time. Let me go ahead and get you back to the video and also let you enjoy this moment where I had set up my camera on a nearby bench and the wind had knocked it over.
I got the... Oh, and that'll do it. Damn. That sucks. That sucks a lot. Holy shit. Oh, wow.
This camera is $500, by the way, and it had no case on it. Amazing transitions aside, I tried to do this little cinematic shot that I've seen in a lot of different vlogs and absolutely failed at it because I didn't even check the framing when I recorded this because I'm so smart. Alright, so this next part is me doing the room tour. The audio actually doesn't sound like dog shit because I was able to fix it in post, but here is that, so I hope you guys enjoy.
So when you enter, this is what you see. You have the living room, balcony over there. You have a bathroom over there. You have a nice sink and a mini fridge, of course. You have this bathroom in here, which is pretty nice. It's just a toilet and a sink. Trash can, of course. Pretty nice, though. But you have all of this. You got your TV, nice sitting area, 2 chairs, and then 2 chairs at this little dining table. If you turn left after the entrance, you have the bathroom, which is pretty nice. Really nice bathroom, actually. You have these 2 mirrors. You got 2 sinks. You have some complimentary wipes and whatever this is. Oh, I guess that's soap. Then you have your nice shower. Super nice, actually. Got a towel. Then you have a ton of towels down here. Washcloths, rags, all of that stuff. Another toilet. You got your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash all in there. And with this, you can actually slide this door like so. And now you have your private bedroom, which is a really nice room. Have a nice mirror to look at yourself. Pretty nice. Got a lamp to the side. Have a nice bed. Haven't tested it yet. You have your little study area. That is an extra room key and the property information. You have a $7 bottle of water. No idea who is buying this. Got your ice bucket, your coffee machine, and then you have the coffees up top. You have another TV, nice chair. You have your AC and heating unit. Then you have your lookout from your bedroom. And so this is the nice city of Louisville from the West Tower, floor 17 of the bedroom. There is the river, the Ohio River. Yeah, it's pretty nice here, but I personally think the view from the balcony is much better. So this is the balcony. You can hear a lot of the traffic. I'm not sure how it sounds for you guys.
Hey guys, it's post-recording Joshua back again because the audio sounds like ass. Yeah, so pretty much Mr. Yappa here is pretty much just talking about the fact that the view is extremely nice. As you can see, you get a really nice view of Indiana across the bridge. You get to see a couple of the bridges that you can cross to get over to the other state. The Ohio River looking nice. Don't swim in it. It's dirty as all hell. You can see some boats parked at the waterfront there, which you can actually visit at certain times. I tried to go down there, later, but they were not open. So I don't know what those times are. Don't ask me. There I am trying to figure out if that building over there was the KFC Yum Center or just a building next to it. Still did not figure out. Yeah, pretty much. I was just enjoying the view and talking about how being on the 17th floor at the Galt House is pretty nice. You can see the highway down there, and you can also see the pool below you, even though it is closed because it is December 6th when I
And
was
yeah, I'm gonna
recording
go
this.
back inside where I can actually hear. All right. So we are back in the room. Yeah, it's not bad. Honestly, can't complain. Deluxe Suite is pretty nice. Apparently, there is a suite better than this, which is insane to me. So, yeah. But I actually have never explored the entirety of the Galt House Hotel. So, I guess that takes it for the room tour. Room is pretty nice, actually. We do have to do a bed test. So, let's do that. Okay, I mean, we gotta do a bed test, so. Oh, oh god damn. Yo. Okay, I think I moved it a bit. Let me stop for my neighbors. Like, what the hell is he doing? I could actually move the bed. Okay, let's move that back. All right. Kind of roughed the bed up a little bit, but not a bad bed actually. Um, yeah, this is actually pretty comfortable. Oh, it's actually not bad. It's you can feel the springs, uh, but like it's not terrible. I thought it would be worse. When I pressed my hands on it earlier, I thought it was a bit more firm, but yeah, no, it's actually pretty nice. Oh, not sure if I showed the closet actually. So you have your nice little safe, hangers, ironing board. Got my bag there. Pretty nice closet. There we go. Okay, let's go explore the rest of the hotel. Got a nice vending machine and ice machine. Pretty nice. Have the elevators to take you where you need to go. Nice artwork in a mirror once you get off those elevators. Speaking a bit softer to hopefully not disturb the people on these floors. See more of the buildings in Louisville. Alright, let's head to the top floor. 25 floors of greatness. They do have restaurants and bars here at this hotel. Oh, that is a fast elevator. So when you get off the elevators on the 25th floor, I believe there is a steakhouse restaurant and I guess a nice little event hall, which obviously is closed at the moment. Have your bathrooms, but you have little sitting areas. Not bad at all. Again, you get some nice views. Not bad at all. Let's see. Well, I guess the steakhouse restaurant is closed at the moment, but it looks pretty nice. Let's head back down.
Hey guys, post-recording Joshua back again. Yeah, I wanted to record more of the hotel, but it was extremely busy. There was some sort of conference or some sort of meetup that was happening that day. Did not know about it, so there was a lot of people around, and I didn't want to be a weirdo who was just like recording everything. And I didn't want to, put people in the video who obviously didn't consent to it. So the hotel is quite large, and there's 2 different towers. It's extremely beautiful, and I would have liked to show more, but I didn't want to just, I didn't want to freak anybody out or risk getting kicked out or anything like that. In the future, hopefully I can record more things, a bit more like inconspicuously, without like, getting in people's faces. Here's a nice little view from my window, just seeing the traffic go by. It's quite nice. But in this next part, it'll be the next day after I've gotten a night's sleep in the bed and taken a shower in the nice shower they had, and just giving you my thoughts and the price breakdown of the hotel itself.
How's it going, everybody? Good morning. It is about 10 a.m., so I have about an hour until checkout. I gotta say that this hotel has been pretty nice. This room is really nice. The hotel is gigantic with 2 towers. I am in the West Tower with this stay, but they have 2 entire towers. On one of the towers, they have a workout area, and at the other, they have a steakhouse. But yeah, overall, it's just been pretty good. The bed was extremely comfortable and some of the best sleep I've ever had. I took a shower, as you can tell with my hair, and I can say that the shower was warm. Even though I'm up here on the 17th floor, water did not take long to get hot at all. Was extremely hot, but extremely comfortable. The body wash, shampoo, and conditioner all was extremely good. So overall, I'd say this was a pretty good experience staying at the Galt House. I would recommend it to people if they were looking for a hotel in Louisville, Kentucky. It's pretty up there. With all that said, I probably should mention the price I paid for this room. So the price for this room that I paid for one night in December is $311.23. So this is for this one suite for one night in December, which I guess is close to some holiday seasons, but I imagine this room price could get much higher. This was pretty much the lowest I saw it going for. And it is a lot of money, honestly. It is a ridiculous amount to pay for. I can say that it is quite nice. For that price, though, I would have liked more amenities, but in terms of everything the Galt House Hotel seems to offer, it's pretty nice. Everything here is just expensive, so oh well. So the base price was $264.52 for the room. Then it was another $46.71 for taxes and fees. And then since I had booked this through a third party on hotels.com, I actually had the One Key cash rewards that they had just transferred over to. I had $188.97 in rewards that I could use to pay towards this room. And that left me with a total of $122.26 that I paid for this room for one night. Still a very steep price, but much better than the $300. When I was trying to book direct with the Galt House, I still found the price to be around the $320 mark, or actually a bit higher. So, depending on what you want to do, you can go through them directly or book third party. Sometimes third parties do have lower prices. I would say this was a pretty nice stay regardless. The room was nice. I didn't hear my neighbors. Hopefully they didn't hear me. Oh, okay. The view was quite nice, and the hotel was nice to explore. So, yeah. I would recommend it if you don't mind forking over that much money, but to be honest, you could probably find something cheaper if you're just looking for a regular stay. If you want a more luxurious stay like so, I'd say the Galt House is pretty good in that regard. So, 10 out of 10. Well, yeah, it was just pretty good. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, you could leave a like and a comment and subscribe for more future videos where you can watch me fork over large amounts of cash to people for services and goods, and then I will record myself engaging with that type of bargaining. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.